Welcome, everybody, to Omnisend's Marketing Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SBS marketing program and to help you increase your sales. Now, yesterday, I talked about ways to adjust your send and discount strategy based on cart total. Today, I want to discuss another way to split your messages, either in tandem with the previous split or all by itself. Another way to use splits is by looking at the abandoner's previous purchase history. Knowing this can be a big clue as to one, whether they're inclined to purchase, and two, how you want to approach them. After all, it would make sense to treat a loyal customer different than a brand new customer, right? Let's look at this. Take those brand new customers. These are the ones you spend so much money trying to acquire through sorts of paid activities. Well, when you finally get them to the point of placing items in their cart, you want to close the deal. Otherwise, those acquisition costs go bye-bye. By using an automation split to isolate these shoppers, you can focus all your things on already mentioned that would likely matter to them, like promoting value adds or using a sense of urgency. However, knowing they're new to your brand, you may want to double down on using social proof in your messages, satisfaction guarantees, and why they should feel comfortable doing business with your brand. You may also want to bring a bit more attention to your customer service and contact info, such as if you offer live chat on your website, or reinforce the speed of shipping. Now, for loyal customers, you may not need all this reinforcement. After all, they most likely know all this, and that's why they're coming back. You can probably go a little bit lighter on the social proof, unless it's maybe around some new products, and keep the focus on your customer service and other product value adds that make them so loyal to you. You can fill in the remaining customer tiers to match your business. Returning customers looking for their second purchase with you, remind them of your shipping and return policies while continuing to reinforce your social proof, but maybe along with some product recommendations. As you can see, the options here are really limitless, and that's a great thing for your brand. This is especially true if you choose to combine these splits with the cart total splits. Think about what makes the most sense for your business and make it happen one split at a time. Now, join me tomorrow while I'll build upon this, and we'll discuss how these splits may impact your send and discount strategy. So thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove to you how we can help double your conversions in no time at all. Until next time, happy marketing, everyone.